In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect AirPods to Roland piano. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of setting up AirPods in conjunction with your Roland piano. So this isn't as straightforward as connecting wired headphones. Most Roland digital pianos do not have built-in Bluetooth audio transmission capabilities that directly pair with devices like AirPods. So, Roland pianos that have Bluetooth typically implement Bluetooth MIDI. This is for transmitting musical note data to apps and computers, not for sending the piano's audio output wirelessly for listening. So you primarily do this if you are connecting it to a PC, phone, or laptop, like if you were using it in conjunction with some sort of streaming or recording software. And because it has no built-in Bluetooth audio out generally, this will not allow it to connect to a set of AirPods. A workaround to this is using a Bluetooth transmitter connected to the headphone jack of your Roland piano. So in the Roland piano, plug this Bluetooth transmitter that you can find in places like Amazon to the headphone jack, and this transmitter will be able to connect to your AirPods. To connect the AirPods, simply take them out of the case or press the button on the back of the case here. Now, with the Bluetooth transmitter connected to the AirPods, you will be able to listen to all of the audio that you input. But of course, there is going to be latency and the quality might not be the best. You need extra hardware because you need to buy the transmitter or adapter. There is the latency, battery management, and bulkiness. The other thing that you can do is use a computer as an intermediary. So if you connect the Roland piano to a computer and then you pair the AirPods to the computer, then you will be able to listen to the keyboard audio or the piano audio through the AirPods, but connecting it directly to the piano is not possible. So choose one of these two workarounds and you will be able to use some sort of intermediary, either the computer or the transmitter. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Roland piano. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.